Hello, I'm Derek from Inhouse, and we're here today to talk about the technical attributes of our Sono flooring and how to install it. For those of you that are familiar with PVC or vinyl-based products, as you look and hold a piece of our Sono, you will notice that our product feels completely different. And this is because it is. The core is completely different, and so is the surface of the product, and this gives it some unique properties and benefits. The surface of the product is a high-definition digital print finished with a UV cured lacquer. The core is a combination of polyolefin and natural mineral powder, and that's it. There are no other chemical additives required to make Sono, which makes it an ultra-low VOC emissions and free from plasticizers, chlorides, and formaldehyde. Focusing on installation, one of the major benefits of Sono is it's extremely stable in terms of heat and it's waterproof. One of the questions that we get at Inhouse is, what do you mean by waterproof? As there are many definitions of waterproof in the flooring industry. What we mean for Sono is that the product is actually waterproof, meaning that you can submerge the product for many days in water with no effect. One of the most important aspects of Sono for installation is the handling of the product. Think of Sono and the handling of Sono more towards a traditional ceramic tile. And like tile, once it's installed, it's extremely robust. But prior to installation, you need to take some care. Don't throw the boxes around, lean them on end, or drop them, as this could damage the product like ceramic tile. Please take a little bit more care when handling Sono. A little care goes a long way. So similarly, given the nature of Sono, it should never be directly hit or pressed with any installation tool, as this could also damage the product.